y'all, I'm Rhonda. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today, y'all, I am going back to my roots, and I am going to show y'all a little recipe that I grew up on. Honey, we ate this all the time, and you could find this simmering in a lot of Lowcountry kitchens on Sunday. And that is some okra soup. Now, this may just look like some vegetable soup to you, but honey, it hits different, okay? I'm gonna tell on Russell, I normally use a ham bone for this recipe. This is what we normally use. You can use whatever kind of pork you want to use, ham hocks, whatever. But I had my little ham bone put back up in the freezer. And went to get my little ham bone out, and Russell had cleaned the freezer out a little bit, and he just tossed it. Gone.
Yeah.
Broke my heart.
Yeah. Well.
Anyway.
When I come across Ziploc bags.
He didn't know what it was.
It was not labeled.
Yes,
and it did not look like it had a purpose in life.
No. Now, and how many times have you cleaned the freezer?
Well, I mean, listen.
Never. So I know what's in there.
Hey.
He was trying to help out. He was trying to be helpful. But anyway, away went my ham bone, and
But it's a learning experience.
It's just that. Yeah, it's ass next time.
Yeah, that's right.
So, what we did is we went and got us. I
made up for it. I did go get some ham hocks. I did.
He went to the store and got us some ham hocks and everything. So, now what I've done is I went ahead and threw my ham hocks into my Instapot and cooked them. Now, if you don't want to do that, you can simmer this low and slow on the stove and just let it do what it's going to do, and it's delicious. But I've already got, we did a little shortcut, and if you have an Instapot, it is a wonderful, wonderful way to do it. But otherwise, I'd have had that little ham bone in there, honey, just doing the backstroke in this okra soup.
I'm going to hear about this ham bone for a while.
Anyway, so I've got my little ham hock. So I'm going to show you how we did our little okra soup. And like I said, this is a Lowcountry favorite. And y'all, if you've watched me any length of time, honey, you know we had some rice and soups and stews and all those things growing up. So, of course, this is going to go over some rice. But let's get this to cooking, and I'll show y'all how I do it. All right. I've got my little pot here, y'all. Here's my little ham hocks I already got cooked up here.
Ooh-wee. Now, look, y'all.
Look at her.
Now, she was giving me grief.
Yeah.
But I'm telling you. Now, that don't look like something that's just awful to me. Now, I tell you what, now, it looks pretty daggum.
But it's falling off the bone like that. So, anyway, but it's going to be a little shortcut because otherwise, like I said, you would just cook it kind of low and slow until that meat is falling off the bone. So, now I have got my little bacon essence in here.
Essence.
Yes, some little bacon grease.
Yeah.
And I'm about to dump the wrong thing in there. Where's my onions? Here we go. And I'm just going to cook my little onions. I've got maybe about, well, it's a medium-sized onion, one whole onion. I chopped the whole thing while we was doing. Get my little salt over here. Now, I will tell you, like I said, my mama, honey, we had some okra soup growing up. My children's great-grandma, every Sunday, she had okra soup. I don't know how or where she got the ham bones from, but she always had okra soup. And so anyway, this is how they did it. They didn't put all these seasonings in them, but it was always just so good. All right. I'm going to start by, I think I'm going to pour some of this juice in here.
Yeah. Some stock.
Some of this good old stock. Some of that good flavor there. My pan started, this pot always just gets so hot. I probably should have just did it in another one. But anyway, it's going to still cook down. It's going to be good. Now, I'm going to throw me some tomatoes. I got my good old canned tomatoes here, y'all.
Man, taste the summertime.
And we're going to do it. We're going to see what it looks like after the jar there. But you want that tomato base. I'm going to go ahead and throw my little potatoes in there because we want them to get cooked up good. Now, I just got some frozen vegetables, and I got some corn, I got some Lima Beans, and of course, the star of the show.
Yes.
Some good old okra.
Man.
So, we're going to go ahead and start pouring this in here. I'm just going to measure with my heart. We'll go in there. Oh, so I did about half a bag of this okra.
Yeah, get that plenty of okra in there.
And you can really just stop with the one tomato there. And if you want to thicken it, you can always add tomato paste or what have you. We'll go in with the Lima Beans. Let's see. I thought it said resealable, but no. And I can put all this little stuff together and make a good soup with what's left over. These bags really aren't that big, so I think I'm gonna just dump them in.
Well, we got containers.
We got.
That's one thing we don't like.
We got some,
y'all that know, you know what I'm saying. We got
yes.
we got some containers if we need to save it.
Listen,
you know what I'm saying?
We got some Cool Whip containers. We got all kind of.
We might not struggle for some things, but containers ain't one.
Actually, it is. Now I'm just building it back up. He made me clean it out. He said if I open this drawer one more time and all this stuff is in here, he was like, you got to do something. So I went through and I was good, didn't I?
She did.
I threw a ton of it away. It hurt my heart.
It did hurt her heart.
I was just like turning my head, taking it to the garbage. I'm like, I asked the kids, y'all need any plastic containers?
No, they all like, no.
They're like, no, we don't. But anyway, got rid of it. And then for Sunday supper, when everybody come in and start taking their little stuff off, I was like scrapping, trying to find stuff. I was like putting stuff in Ziploc bags and everything else. So I have just got, I just built it up just a little bit, but it's not bad like it was, Neil. You know what? It ain't.
We don't lack.
No. So some black pepper. Moving right along. Some black pepper. And we're going to do some salt. Yes.
Man, I love me a good soup. I'm looking forward to this, y'all. I love some good old Lowcountry.
Accent. Y'all don't have to do that, but it does good flavor, and I'm telling you, that's what I grew up on.
We're doing it true to your roots. This is the recipe.
That's what.
And hey, skip it if you don't like it.
Yes, that's exactly right. Now I'm gonna give this a little taste. Let me get my little spoon. All right, I'm gonna give it a little taste, y'all. See what we're working with. It's tasting pretty good. I am gonna add some more tomatoes. So of course this is a 32-ounce jar. I don't think we need all of those. But look, we got us a big old pot.
That's a pot. That's a pot there now, y'all.
I actually think it needs some more okra because I added all those extra vegetables.
Yeah, let it eat. It ain't gonna hurt.
Well, I don't want to.
We can put it up, honey.
It is okra soup.
It is. Ain't no sense hanging on that little old bit of okra.
No, it's not. Let's just do it.
Do it.
Let's just do it.
Yeah.
Throw it and just do with it.
Yeah.
Like he threw my ham bone out. No.
Yeah.
He's like, he said that too.
Poor old ham bone.
Let's just do it.
I was like, what in the world is this?
It's funny because when I said, I got a ham bone in the freezer, I'm going to do some okra soup, he got a look.
Yeah.
He got a look. And then when I come to look, he said, I got a really bad feeling about that ham. He did. He said,
I was like,
I'm having a really bad feeling about it.
Is there alternatives to what we can use?
And I got the freezer up and I'm, digging and doing and looking and No ham on.
I said, well, it still looks good, though, don't it? I'm trying to smooth things over.
He said, it looks good. I'm like, no, it's missing a ham bone.
Oh, goodness.
Anyway, we're past it. We really are. He made up for it.
Goodness.
So I'm going to just let this. Now this is going to have to simmer, obviously, long enough for the potatoes and all the vegetables to be done. But I'm going to start picking some of those that meat off the bone there, just so little bits. You know, sometimes you get little bits and stuff of the bones there. So I'm just going to pick it off. But now you can just throw the whole thing right in here. Like I said, if you hadn't pre-cooked it, just throw it in there and let it get soft with all of this. But anyway, it's going to be good. It's going to be delicious. Mm-hmm. And so I'm going to just start picking some of that meat, and I'll dump it in here when I get that ready. All right, y'all, it has just been doing some stuff. Okay, let me tell you.
She been getting happy.
Yes.
And,
well, let me tell you.
And then not so happy.
Yes. My that Dutch oven, that pot, I don't know why, but things tend to want to stick. So I was like, oh, let me get this soup out of here before I mess it up. Yeah. So now it is
looking good.
Yes, delicious.
Yeah.
Now I will tell you, we did it basic. Mama did it basic, which Mama did a lot of stuff that was just basic. There wasn't a whole bunch of seasoning and all this kind of stuff back in the day. But it was so good, the simplicity of it, because all of the true taste of the vegetables and all that just shine through. But I'm going to go ahead and turn it off because it's done. But Mama, my children's great-grandma, she did it the same way. Very basic. But now some people like the Charleston recipes. Some of them would add bay leaves in it, a little smoked paprika, and onion powder, and that's about it. Hot sauce if you want hot sauce. But other than that, they did theirs pretty basic too. And I'll put that in the recipe, the optional things, but just very basic. All right, y'all. Okra soup. And I've just got, some yellow rice. You know, as a true person from the low country, honey, you're going to be eating this on some rice.
Oh, yeah. That's a must.
Yes. And I got that meat in there. I picked that meat off the bone. There's little pieces of meat in there.
Yeah, an old ham hock. Not a ham bone, ham hock.
Ham hock, not a ham bone. Let's don't get on that again.
No, we've been down that road. Let's forget that.
Yeah. All right. So we're going to give this a little taste. I am going to make up a little cornbread, but Russ will give it a little taste right now.
Yeah. And
tell you what he thinks about it. All right, y'all. Okra soup time. Tasting time.
Tasting time.
Yes.
Yummy. I love okra.
Me too.
I love low country food from a low country gal.
Oh.
Man, you don't have to worry about that pot getting gone.
Having all them containers full of...
Yeah.
Oh, Lord.
That hit your soul right there.
It will.
That'll speak right to your heart. It will.
And y'all, I'm telling you, I know it's simple, and you think, Lord, she didn't put much seasoning in it at all. But I'm telling you, the simplicity of just the vegetables and the ham hocks, I mean, the flavors
it's
really...
It's nothing but flavor.
It is. It really comes out. You don't have to mask it and do all those things with those seasons. And when it cooks, those potatoes and the okra just thickens it right up. And you know what I think of every time I see okra or eat okra? I think of Jerry Clower. Remember the comedian?
Yeah. He
said they were so poor when they were young that they ate so much okra they couldn't keep their socks up. That's what he would say. And I think of that every time because, you know, okra's kind of slimy, people thinking. Yeah, anyway. I think of that every time I eat okra.
Jerry Clower's a good one.
Yes, but we loved okra in our
I
house.
love
We had
too.
okra.
It's fantastic.
Mama always had bags of frozen okra, her own frozen. In fact, I think I have 2 bags of Mama's whole frozen okra, because she'd throw it in there whole too.
I mean, we like it pickled. We like it.
Yes.
We like it
Yes.
fried. We fry. We eat it however way you can eat it.
Mm-hmm. And Mama always put okra in her vegetable beef soup too, like when you cooked chuck roast. And she would throw a chuck roast in the old pressure cooker. You hear just something's good coming. Yes, but she'd put that old chuck roast in there, and then add all these things, and oh my goodness, it was so good, so good. And you can put any kind of meat in this. You can
the ham hock turn out
ham
good.
hock.
That smoky flavor of that ham hock.
In
now.
the low country, they put turkey necks.
Yeah.
They put all kind of.
I'm
Listen,
telling you. Hey.
they use all of the pig, but the oink.
That's right.
They do.
Yeah.
The squeal.
Yeah. It's flavor, y'all. It's
It
flavor.
really
It really
is.
is. It's flavor.
It is good stuff.
Now about to get got.
And the good was a good old piece of hot cornbread. He done went to the store and got him some cracklings.
Yeah.
For some crackling cornbread.
Yeah.
So
I was
he's
in
happy.
the store and I said, ooh.
He's a happy feller. He's gonna get some.
That's like a treat.
Yes.
Anyway, yeah.
Anyway,
Like,
y'all.
oh, the soup. Look at
Yes.
them cracklings. It was like
And it's cold outside today.
Yeah.
Well, it was beautiful, but it's cold
earlier,
now.
but it's cold now. It's not dark.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're ready for spring. We're ready
We
for warm
are.
weather.
I'm ready for flip flops and sunshine.
Yes, we are. Hurry up.
Yes. But anyway, y'all, I hope you try this. If you do, holler. Let me know
Yeah,
what
another
you think
good old low
about
country.
it.
Back to her roots, y'all.
That's my roots.
Yeah.
Yes, it is. This is like I said, I was homegrown
Yeah.
on this kind of stuff. These kind of little recipes. So and I'm naive. I thought the whole world ate the
That's
same kind
not,
of stuff.
No. My daddy never ate this probably. He probably never had okra stew.
I was like, hey, everybody eats like this. No. When I moved to the upstate, I realized real fast, no, they did not.
No, it's beans and
Yes.
cornbread here.
Yep.
Yep.
But anyway, all good stuff. Beans, cornbread is good
Oh
too.
yeah, it is. It's just different. It's just different, type of cooking. It really
Sure
is.
is. But anyway, we thank you for tagging along with us. And until next time.